about this hairline. Thank you for making the wig look so realistic and lifelike, Hairvivi. I mean this from the bottom of my heart. For the girls who do not like to do swoops or like baby hair, this is gonna be the video for you, because in this video I don't have neither. So today we're installing a wig, and it's actually gonna be from my favorite company, Hairvivi, one of my faves. The difference with this wig is the hairline is a little bit different, okay? It's actually kinky compared to the rest of the hair, and I think it's supposed to give like that real hair look, like it should look kind of mimic ours, so really give it that natural look, so that you don't have to do the most when it comes to like the baby hairs and the swooping. So I'm actually able to get away with not having the baby hairs because of the way the hairline is. Another thing that I love about this wig is the hair is actually a yaki texture, so it's not your super silky traditional wig. As you can see, my hair is braided. I have not braided my hair underneath the wig in so long, but the damage is happening. My hair is so damaged, and I feel like with that it's just time to put it away, because I'm so close to just cutting every single strand off and starting all over from scratch, and I'm trying my hardest not to, because I have some clip-ins that I just love, and I'm like, damn, if I have no hair then I can't wear no clip-ins. You get what I'm saying? So anytime someone asks me what brand do you think I should buy from with my own money, I will always say Hairvivi. It's one of my favorite companies. As you know, with Hairvivi, you just take it out the box and you just cut the lace off, and it should all be done for you. Now they do have this new hairline. Okay, this is new to me, and it is actually like, it's kind of like kinky. Like, do you see this? It has like a kinky type of texture. That is new to me. Usually they have a very sleek one, but I see where they're going with this, so no complaints there. Inside there is this cap, so we don't have to put a cap on. They just read my mind when it comes to creating new inventions for wigs. It just makes life so much easier. So this is like their breathable band. These can be really irritating for your skin and for your scalp, and as you can see, it's breathable. Like, there's a whole mesh portion there in the middle, so we love that. It's also adjustable, and then you can also just remove it if you're like, no, I don't want the headband, I want to just rock this out. You can do that, but we're gonna wear the headband today. Okay, so for this video I do want to customize this wig on a mannequin head first, and then I'm gonna put it on my head, because I just have more direction. I can actually figure out, like, do a little bit more on the wig head and then put it on my head, and it should be perfect. So let's go ahead and do that. So the wig is down and it's, you know, looks good. Let's place this on our head. Okay, so I was gonna wear a cap, and then I was just like, yeah, no, let's just go without, just because I feel like you can. My hair, you know, it don't feel that oily. I can't see, so let's cut part of the lace off. So let's talk about me getting my Pilates certification while installing my wig. I started Pilates a little around last year, and I ended up loving the class. One of the things that really stood out to me the most was actually the lack of representation. Like, I didn't see too much people who looked like me, and I think that's what also intrigued me. But I also just became obsessed. Like, I fell in love after my first class. Last August, I decided to take my first Pilates course using Beyonce's Sacred Oil. Love using this for wigs because it's so lightweight. So the program that I'm actually getting certified through is with Balanced Body. I'm getting certified in matte and reformer. So with that, that's about 6 classes in total, and then there are 2 classes that I have to take, and that is anatomy, and that's going to teach you all about the body, the inside of the body, the muscles. Each class is about $500 to $600. So I have 2 classes left, which is reformer 3. There are also a lot of hours that you have to put in to also even be considered for getting certified. Teaching hours, observation hours, and actually completion hours of you actually doing Pilates. Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer, but I think it's always good to expand your resume. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, and if you are interested in possibly starting your Pilates certification as well, make sure wherever you go, wherever you study from, make sure the program is worldwide, which basically means that your Pilates certification is accepted by all studios around the world or in the country. And this is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, so I am going in with a lighter foundation, and then I'm gonna put a darker foundation around the perimeter of my face, so I look a little bit crazy. Make it by Mario, and I don't normally do that, but PR sent me foundation that was very light, and I actually taught my first class today, and I was so excited. I was so nervous. It turned out really well. So excited to see what else is in store for me when it comes to Pilates. I'm still gonna be a content creator, but I love always adding to my resume, and I'm really passionate about it, so it just goes hand in hand. And if you're interested in it, I think you should definitely go ahead and like start. Okay guys, so the wig is on. I did actually, so you guys just see me finish curling it. You know, I'm trying to make my videos a little bit more different and exciting, so I did put that part in because that was an original TikTok video, and I was like, you know what, this is me actually curling my hair and showing you guys while I'm telling you guys a little bit more about me. So to make the hair videos more spicy, because eventually this all ends up feeling monotonous and just like, oh my god, I'm doing the same thing over and over and over and over. But by adding some things in a TikTok hair or a real hair, it kind of feels a little bit more like, you know, we getting closer, we vibing, we cool, we friends. So yeah, one of the oil that I did put in my hair that I did mention is this oil from Beyonce's collection. This is from Sacred, and I love it because it is super lightweight, so it does make your hair look nice and shiny enough, but it does not weigh it down, so it won't get all greasy and just like stringy. I can't do a wig like that. That's just not the vibe. It's just not cute. Now about this hairline. Thank you for making the wig look so realistic and lifelike, Hairvivi. I mean this from the bottom of my heart. But or as the millennials, the Gen Zers say, how the heck did they do that? Gosh, that hurts. From the bottom of my heart. And they made it kinky on purpose. But I feel like my real hairline doesn't look like this, so I wanted to mimic without burning myself. Ah! But it is very realistic. And as you guys saw when I was installing my hair, I didn't put any hairspray right here. I've kind of like not been doing that just because I want to be able to like, I feel like I can't figure out where I like my hairline to be. If I like it to be a little bit like, you know, far or back. And with the wig, it gives you the option to be able to like minimize your forehead or maximize your forehead. And I'm trying to find the happy place, and I didn't want it to be stuck down and be screwed, so I did only do the sides. But to me, it still looks good. It's a little crusty. I'm just gonna put some oil right there. I'll just scratch this off. And if it's like getting white, you just add more spray. Yeah, this is looking good to me now. Even like this side. Little quick tip to make your wig fall the way you want it to fall. Make sure you like take the hair and comb it this way. I used to always just comb it like straight down, and I realized that like that was like going against me. So take your wig and kind of like go comb it towards your face, and then let it fall back and do its thing naturally. But I haven't worn a wig in so long, and I'm actually so happy that I did put a wig on, because it's like I can get my middle part without having to like sacrifice my real hair. I'm gonna make it jag. I think with it being too straight, it looks a little too perfect, and it's just driving me nuts. So I think I'm just gonna trim that little piece off. Yes, much better. But this wig, the way I'm wearing it, is partially glueless and partially not glueless because I only put spray right here. So right here is really just like, there's no hairspray there. Yeah, this is better. I love this. So I'm done with my hair and I am loving it. This is also not a super silky texture. It's like a yucky texture. So it looks so good up close. Like, I'm gonna go outside and get some footage for you guys because I feel like this is the kind of hair that you have to see in person or outside to be like, ooh, that look kind of good. So I am gonna go outside to get some footage for you guys, but the hair, the texture, love. Like Hairvivi, this one is the one. Like this one feels good, it looks good, the texture feels good on it. It's really giving like a real hair or like leave out. Like from far, I'd be like, oh my god, her leave out looks really good. Her sew one looks really good. So totally here for this one. And I love how it's like partially glueless and partially like just not glueless. So it's like it gives you the best of both worlds. And I didn't want to put too much hairspray. I think I just need, you know what I need? I need a wig that I could just grab and go, like put it on a mannequin head and just grab and go on my bad days. And this one I think is gonna be that because I didn't have to do much on this one. Like it was already done for me. So we love that. Yeah, I love that. And if you want, you could cut more, but I actually want to keep my long layers. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna be all did up for you guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. This is the final look, guys. Absolutely, again, just still in love, just more in love. Now that my makeup is done and my hair is done, I'm even more in love. Oh, I'm actually able to get away with not having the baby hairs because of the way the hairline is. And I know a lot of people hate the way baby hairs look when you do have a wig. This hair is also yucky. Now, I love shirts like this, but I can't move. So that's why I'm just like, you know. But yeah, the hair looks good, feels good, you know, all the good stuff. Zoe wants to say hi.